Hey everybody, it's Joe from Everest Microbial Defense. And today I want to talk about the 3 tips that you can start using today to make your disinfectant spray even more effective. Tip number 1, use your disinfectant spray the right way. Now before you leave, because I'm stating the obvious, I want you to imagine something for me. Imagine you've just taken a disinfectant, you've gone around your house, you've sprayed all the surfaces. What do? You come back next with a microfiber cloth and you wipe that disinfectant right up. Now the right way to use these is actually what's called a contact time or a dwell time. And the EPA requires that these products have it listed clearly on the label. This one, for instance, is a 5-minute dwell time. This dwell time can last anywhere from 30 seconds all the way to 15 minutes. It just depends on what product you're using. So check the back label, or you can even go to the EPA's website, which I'll link down in the description below, to find the proper dwell time. Tip number 2 is to understand how well your disinfectant continues to work after you finish cleaning. The unfortunate truth to that is they don't. You see, disinfectants are designed to take care of the current contamination on a surface and then evaporate. So the moment your hand comes in and touches that surface again, it's recontaminated. So what can we do? How can we protect a surface from future contamination? Stick around to the end of the video, and we got a tip for that one as well. Tip number 3 is to track and record how well your disinfectant has been working over time. Now you may be asking, Joe, how do I track what I can't see? How do I even know if my disinfectant works? Well, they make a little device called an ATP luminometer. What it does is it tests for ATP on a surface. ATP is the energy molecule found in all living cells. So the presence of ATP is an indicator that there are microbes on that surface as well. Now I must warn you, if you want one of these, they're fairly expensive, but I will link those down in the description below. When you test with an ATP luminometer, it's going to return a unit of measure known as an RLU, or a relative light unit. So what you would do is you would test your surface prior to disinfecting and after disinfecting, and if those RLU numbers dropped, well, congratulations, your disinfectant works. But don't go celebrating just yet. You remember that comment I made on recontamination back in point number 2?
The moment your hand comes in and touches that surface again, it's recontaminated.
What can we do about this? How can we reduce the risk of microbial recontamination? Well, the answer is pretty simple. Before we go any further, if you're enjoying the video, be sure to drop us a like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on how to level up your cleaning. As an added bonus, every week here at Everest, we give away 100 free products. To find those giveaways, look down in the description, but be sure to turn on your bell notifications so you never miss a video and never miss a giveaway. All right, let's get back to it. You need to follow up your disinfectant with an antimicrobial surface protectant. Essentially, you need to seal that clean, disinfected surface to protect it against future contamination. So what do? What's the practical application? Well, the key here is to create a system that includes proper disinfection, antimicrobial surface protection, and regular testing of those surfaces. I like to think about it like getting a new paint job on a car. You wouldn't get a paint job and skip the clear coat. You wouldn't get a new clear coat and skip the regular washing. All 3 of those items are necessary to maintain a new paint job on a car, just like all 3 of these items in the system are required to maintain an environment that's safe for us and those around us. If you're looking for a system that properly disinfects and reduces the risk of microbial recontamination with proven results, then head over to peakhealthadvantage.com. Look, all of this to say there are better and safer ways to clean. And here at Everest, our goal is to bring those to light. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you in the next one.